If your T-Mobile gateway, such as the Arcadian KVD21, KV22, or Pace 5268 AC models, is stuck on the powering up screen, it's likely experiencing a boot loop due to firmware issues. This means the device is repeatedly restarting without fully loading the system. This is often caused by corrupted firmware from interrupted updates, power outages, or even hardware faults. While T-Mobile issued patches in mid-2025, the issue can still resurface, particularly after automatic firmware updates. Key causes include firmware integrity problems, unstable power supplies, and the gateway's attempt to manage increasing bandwidth demands. Addressing this quickly is crucial to restore your internet service and prevent excessive power consumption and heat. Begin troubleshooting with a power cycle. Unplug the gateway for at least 30 minutes to clear temporary caches. If the power cycle doesn't work, try a hard reset by holding the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. Next, use the T-Mobile Internet app to perform a factory reset, which restores the gateway to its default settings. Ensure the gateway has a stable power supply and isn't overheating. Check for firmware updates via the T-Mobile Internet app. For error codes like ER001, consult T-Mobile's support. If these steps fail, it could indicate a hardware issue covered under T-Mobile's 1-year warranty, necessitating a replacement. Be aware that firmware updates pushed over the air may trigger the loop again, so monitoring after a reset is important.